To change the background color of your project, click the Master Slide button in the Properties tab. Choose the main master slide. That's always the first one. Then, under Properties tab, you can choose from Solid, Gradient, or Image Fill. I'm going to choose Solid and pick a different color. In Master Slide, you can add various objects. To create a shape, click on the Shapes button in the upper navigation bar and select Rectangle. Then click and drag it as large as you want. Once you have created the rectangle, you can change the fill color and stroke. Click on the Options tab next to Style to change the size and position of the object. If you want, you can uncheck the constraint proportions. That is, if you don't need the object to resize in the same proportions as it is now. As you can see, we have created a classic navigation bar at the top of the slide. In Master Slide, you can also add a logo that will be visible in all slides. Click on the media icon and choose a file from your computer. Move the logo to the top of the navigation bar and change the size and position if you want to. Now you can see that the navigation bar and the logo is visible in all slides. With the Show Main Master Slide Objects checkbox in the Properties tab, you can choose to show or hide the objects that are placed in the main master slide. Now that we have learned about the master slide, we can add some new styles to our project. Go to Edit Object Style Manager. A new window opens up, and here you can edit the existing styles and add new styles to your project. To create a new style, clone one of the existing ones, change the name to your new style. You can change the font family, style, and size. You can also set a new color to your text and set a different alignment for every style you create. Now we have created a style for our page titles. Clone this one to create a new style for our content text. Change the font, size, and colors, and we are almost ready to go. You can set your new style as a default, and every time you will add a new text field to your project, it will have the same formatting. Click OK to save your changes. To exit the master slide, click on the Exit button on the upper navigation bar. As you can see, the page that previously was empty now has a navigation bar and a logo.